Hello guys, in this video I'll show you two ways how to open on-screen keyboard in Windows 10. The first way is just click on the search box and type OSK and click on-screen keyboard and you'll get this keyboard. If you want, you can also pin this keyboard to your taskbar. To do it, just right click on it and click Pin to Taskbar. The other way to open on-screen keyboard is just right click on empty space on your taskbar and click Show Touch Keyboard button. And you'll get this small keyboard icon. To open this keyboard, just click on it. And that's how you can open on-screen keyboard in Windows 10. Thank you for watching.